day to all our viewers out there. My name is Heinrich Nedling and welcome to Mathematical Literacy. In today's lesson, we'll be focusing on the topics of seating plans and floor plans. Now, before I do that, let me quickly share something interesting with you. Did you know that floor plans provide a way to visualize how people will move through space? Also important is that floor plans makes it easier to check if the space is suitable for its intended purpose, work through any potential challenges, and redesign before moving forward into more elaborate planning or building spaces or stages. Now let us quickly look at our lesson objectives. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to, first of all, define the terms floor plan and seating plan. You should also know the purpose of each type of plan. Then important is that you should know the compass direction indicators. Very important in this lesson. Identify the key symbols indicated on the given plan. Right. Also, use the given scale on the plan successfully to determine actual length of objects shown on the plan. Then you must be able to perform calculations based on the given scale. Also, describe what is being presented to you. Okay, so those are our lesson objectives. What else is important? So, as I've indicated, in today's lesson, we'll focus on seating plans and floor plans. Now, let us look at other terminology words that you should be familiar with. Okay, so first of all, I said here that a plan is a more detailed representation of a smaller area, often showing landmarks or objects. For example, a cinema seating plan, a house plan, etc. What else is important? Dimensions, right, are used to describe the size and the shape of an object. Now, each dimension of the actual object is either reduced or enlarged by a certain ratio. Now, this we call the scale factor. Okay? Scale drawings represent the actual size and shape of an object as it is seen on paper. Then our compass directions, and please note, I want you to be familiar with this, know it by heart, because you'll use it a lot of times. Now here we have our compass direction. We know our four main compass directions will be your north, south, east, and west. Right, and then we have our other four in between, your northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. As I've indicated, please make sure that you know this by heart. Now let's do a quick practice, right? I said here, first question, define the term floor plan. So what is a floor plan? A floor plan is basically a line drawing, right? Showing rooms as though it is seen from above, right? As though seen from above. And important here also, without the roof, right? There's no roof when we look at a floor plan. So let me repeat, a floor plan is basically a line drawing showing rooms as though it is seen from above without a room. Okay, that's our first question. Let us look at another question. In question number 2, I indicated here, write down the name of the symbol below commonly used on maps or plans, right? So if you look at this symbol here represents a door. Please take note, you will need this as we progress with our lesson. Okay, so that is the symbol for a door. Question number 3, provide one example of a seating plan. Right, as I've indicated already, it can be a cinema seating plan. It can be at a stadium, a classroom, for example. It says here, provide one, so I'm going to use a cinema seating plan. Question number 4. State whether the following statement is true or false. Now let's see what the statement is all about. It says here, the purpose of a plan is to show the layout and the design of a three-dimensional structure. Now that is indeed true. That the purpose of a plan is to show the layout and the design of a three-dimensional structure. Now there's a short little test. Let us now focus on other important terminology, words that is important to you. Now, first of all, I've indicated here seating plan. Symbols and words are often used to show names and positions of arranged items. Okay, so also a key, and you'll see as we move on, a key explaining symbol meaning is also included usually on a plan. Then compass direction indicators are sometimes included. And then examples of seating plans include your cinema, stadium, classroom plans. Okay. Then now floor plans. Sometimes we refer to this also as a layout plan. It's a line drawing showing rooms as though it's seen from above without a roof. Okay, what else is important with floor plans? It shows a top view of a building, right? Whether it's room, office, house, etc. The floor plan for a house usually shows the layout of different rooms, the position of the windows and the doors, as well as the position of fittings like, for example, cupboards, stoves, toilets, etc. Then symbols are used in the floor plan or your layout plan, such as your doors, windows, etc. The purpose of a plan, right, and remember this was one of our questions, question number 4, is to show the layout and the design of a three-dimensional structure. Okay? So there are more. So when we work with floor plans, right, it may include compass direction indicators as well. Floor plans are drawn to scale, just like with maps. Okay? And you'll see we'll indicate the scale on the floor plan as well. These plans show a scale by using either a ratio or a bar scale. Then working with the scale is the same as working with the scales given on our maps. Okay guys, let us quickly take a short advert break. After the break, we'll focus on seating plans. See you now.